Hello, I'm Matt Hall, Principal Biostatistician at Children's Hospital Association and co-director of the Health Services Research Academy. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Academy and different options you have for participation. We all know that the opportunities to leverage existing health data to transform healthcare delivery are monumental. However, the supply of healthcare professionals equipped to use such health data for meaningful clinical change is insufficient. So we developed the Health Services Research Academy to be a flexible, virtual educational program that will assist healthcare professionals in developing the skills they need to use healthcare data through a health services research model to optimize clinical care. However, you do not need to be a clinician to benefit from the Academy. Since we focus on learning the practical fundamentals of doing research, which we view broadly as gaining insight from data to answer clinical or operational questions, anyone who wants to learn how to systematically use data to inform healthcare can benefit from these skills. In fact, we have had physicians, nurses, research coordinators, and data analysts go through the program to better understand the research process and how they play a role in it. The foundation of the Academy is 20 online, on-demand learning modules that we have developed to take you step by step through the process of performing a research project. We begin with how to select a research topic that is right for you and progress all the way through how to respond to reviewers' critiques of your work, and even how to create an effective PowerPoint presentation to convey your results. We have modules that will review many of the common databases that are used in health services research, and modules that will help you become more comfortable about statistics and methods. If you struggle to write papers, we even have a module dedicated to taking you step by step through that process. Each one of these modules has a component of reading and interaction with a short video to help reinforce key aspects of the concepts, and most take approximately 30 to 45 minutes to complete. They are even available on mobile devices so that you can access them whenever and wherever you'd like. While going through the Academy, we always encourage participants to do an actual research study at the same time they are progressing through the modules to further reinforce their learning. In this way, you will learn a concept and quickly apply it in your specific project. Each month, we have laid out recommendations on which modules you should complete and the associated activities you need to do for your research project so that you can stay on track and complete your project in 12 to 18 months. When we developed the Academy, we wanted to keep participation flexible based on your individual needs. So there are 3 tiers of participation that you can choose from. These options are built around 3 key ingredients of successful research that you need to have in place: a structured process, mentorship, and statistical support. Tier 1 participants have access to the online educational modules. Tier 1 is ideal for individuals that have local mentors and analytic resources to perform their research, but just want to learn a structured process for doing research by exploring the online modules at their own pace. This tier of participation is also perfect for non-clinicians who want to know more about how to translate large data sets into new knowledge, or to learn how what they do fits into the broader research process. Tier 2 adds a personal research coach to the online educational modules. Tier 2 is designed for individuals who may have analytic resources internally, but need a research coach to help guide them through their research project. So, in addition to having access to the educational modules, participants at this level will have an hour of research coaching each month for a period of 1 year. On each call, you will have a clinical coach and a methods coach, and they will be there to provide direction and answer questions to facilitate completion of your research project. They can also advise on methodology and answer any statistical questions that you may have. Research coaches are not as involved in your research as a mentor would be, and so we also encourage participants to seek out local mentorship to help support them. Finally, Tier 3 adds a research mentor and provides all statistical support. Participants at this level will receive full mentoring from a nationally recognized clinical expert in health services research and full statistical support to complete a research project within 1 year. Additional content experts will also be added to round out the research team as necessary. Every 2 weeks, the Academy team will meet via conference call on the same day at the same time with the participant to keep your research project moving forward rapidly. It's important to notice that all 3 tiers of participation come with 2 years of access to the online educational modules, and Tier 2 and 3 participants receive coaching or mentorship over a 1-year period. We hope that you will consider participating in the Health Services Research Academy. If you'd like to learn more about the Academy, such as a complete list of the modules that we have as part of our curriculum, or the fees for participation, please click on the I'm Ready to Learn More button on our website, or feel free to reach out to us via email at research@childrenshospitals.org.